Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an IELTS vocabulary quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. What does design mean? The correct option is A. To create something. Question 2. What does expand mean? The correct option is B. To increase in size or amount. Question 3. What does clause mean? The correct option is D. Part of a sentence. Question 4. What does induce mean? The correct option is C. Cause or persuade. Question 5. What does rely mean? The correct option is A. To depend on. Question 6. What does available mean? The correct option is C. Ready for use. Question 7. What does manipulate mean? The correct option is B. Influence cleverly. Question 8. What does distinguish mean? The correct option is A. Recognize a difference. Question 9. What does demonstrate mean? The correct option is B. Show clearly. Question 10. What does assign mean? The correct option is A. To give a task. Question 11. What does technology mean? The correct option is B. Use of scientific language. Question 12. What does exceed mean? The correct option is D. Go beyond a limit. Question 13. What does trigger mean? The correct option is C. Cause something to start. Question 14. What does target mean? The correct option is A. Goal or aim. Question 15. What does alter mean? The correct option is C. Change slightly. Question 16. What does modify mean? The correct option is B. Adjust or change partly. Question 17. What does diverse mean? The correct option is A. Different or varied. Question 18. What does adapt mean? The correct option is B. Adjust to new conditions. Question 19. What does prospect mean? The correct option is D. Possibility or chance. Question 20. What does react mean? The correct option is C. Respond to something. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.